You wake up after 8 hours of sleep, and somehow you're still tired. Your eyes open, but your mind feels heavy, like you never truly rested. You try coffee, cold showers, motivation videos. Nothing sticks. What if the reason you're exhausted isn't about energy at all, but about a signal your body never learned to turn off? Inside you, there's a hidden recharge button, a neural pathway that controls whether your body restores energy or keeps burning it. Most people never even realize it exists. And here's the twist: you can't think your way to feeling rested. You have to teach your nervous system to feel safe enough to relax. In the next few minutes, you'll discover how this one overlooked pathway, the same system that keeps you alive in danger, is also the key to unlocking calm focus, deep rest, and real energy. So if you've ever wondered why rest never feels like rest, you're about to find out you were never the problem. Your wiring was. Let's press that button together. You're not alone in feeling this way. In fact, modern life almost guarantees that you will. The invisible drain begins quietly. Notifications, deadlines, background noise, unprocessed emotions. Each moment of tension sends a message to your body. We're not safe yet. Your heart speeds up. Your breath shortens. Your shoulders tighten. And over time, this becomes your baseline. So even when you rest, your body doesn't actually know how to power down. It's like leaving all the apps open on your phone. It looks fine until the battery dies unexpectedly. Most advice only treats the symptoms. Sleep more, meditate, cut caffeine. But none of that works if your nervous system is still locked in defense mode. That's the hidden culprit, the quiet thief stealing your energy every day. There's a critical neural pathway most people never learn about, the vagus nerve. It's the longest cranial nerve in your body, running from your brainstem through your neck, heart, lungs, and into your gut. Think of it as the communication highway between your mind and body, constantly sending updates about how safe or unsafe you feel. When this pathway is active and balanced, your body rests, digestion flows, your heart slows, your thoughts clear. But when it's dormant or disrupted, your body stays stuck in fight or flight. You might look calm on the outside, but internally the alarm bells never stop ringing. This is why even after a long nap or a weekend off, you can still feel drained. Because recovery doesn't start in your schedule, it starts in your nervous system. Scientists call this the parasympathetic state, the state of repair, connection, and restoration. It's your body's original recharge mode. And here's the beautiful part. You don't need any device, supplement, or guru to access it. It's been built into your biology since the day you were born. Here's what most people don't realize. You can't rest if your body doesn't feel safe. Imagine driving a car that's stuck with the accelerator pressed down. No matter how much you hit the brakes, it keeps revving. That's what happens when your sympathetic nervous system, your fight or flight mode, stays stuck in the on position. You try to sleep, but your mind replays old conversations. You try to relax, but your body braces for impact. You wake up already tense. That's not a weakness. That's a nervous system trapped in survival mode. And here's where Neville Goddard's wisdom connects beautifully. He taught that to change your life, you must enter the feeling of the wish fulfilled to rest in the assumption that it is already done. But if your body doesn't feel safe, it won't let you rest in that feeling. It resists it. Because safety isn't a thought, it's a signal. You can't imagine a peaceful future while your body is still defending itself from the past. That's why the nervous system isn't just biology. It's the foundation of manifestation, focus, and creativity. Until you regulate your body, your imagination can't fully take form. Because the body is the vessel through which your mind expresses its power. So how do you activate this hidden recharge button? Let's go through the 3 steps. Step 1. Discharge the static. Before you can calm down, you must release what's already trapped. Stress energy doesn't disappear. It accumulates. You can't meditate over tension that's still locked in your muscles. Start small. Shake out your arms and legs for 30 seconds. Roll your shoulders. Yawning and stretching. Let your jaw go slack. Animals do this instinctively after stress. It's nature's way of rebooting the system. When you shake or move, you're telling your body the danger is past. Step 2. Anchor safety. Now that you've discharged the static, slow your breath. Inhale gently for 4 counts, exhale for 6. The longer exhale activates the vagus nerve, your recharge switch. You might feel warmth spread through your chest or a wave of relaxation move down your body. That's your parasympathetic system kicking in. If your mind wanders, place a hand over your heart and whisper, "I'm safe now." That single phrase sends a powerful cue to your nervous system. Not because of the words themselves, but because of the feeling behind them. A felt sense of safety that tells your brain, it's okay to rest. Step 3. Reimagine reality. Now that your body is calm, it's time for the Neville part, imagination. Goddard said, "The world is yourself pushed out. What you feel deeply becomes what you eventually experience." But here's the nuance. Imagination only takes root when the soil of your nervous system is soft. When you're regulated, your subconscious becomes receptive again. So visualize your desired state, not with effort, but with ease. Picture yourself already recharged, clear, grounded. Notice the colors, the sounds, the peace of that moment. Then rest there, not in wishing, but in being. This is the nervous system's version of pressing the recharge button. You are literally teaching your body that safety and success can coexist. Here's your shortcut, the 1-minute daily reset. Exhale fully. Let go of all the stale air and tension. Unclench. Drop your shoulders, release your tongue from the roof of your mouth. Hum or sigh for 10 seconds. This vibration activates your vagus nerve instantly. Visualize light expanding from your chest outward, like your entire body is charging with warmth. That's it. 60 seconds to signal your nervous system that it's safe to recharge. Do it before your next task, before sleep, or any time you feel scattered. It's a nervous system version of plugging yourself back in. The energy you're chasing isn't out there. It's inside you, waiting for permission to flow again. Your body isn't broken. It's brilliant. It just needs to remember how to rest. Because rest isn't the absence of activity. It's the presence of safety. So the next time exhaustion hits, don't ask, "What's wrong with me?" Ask, "What signal am I sending my nervous system?" When you learn to press that hidden recharge button, through breath, movement, and imagination, you'll realize that restoration was never something you had to earn. It's your natural state.